Okay, welcome everyone to freedemy.online. Today, I'm going to talk about a small enhancement which I have received a feedback from one of my colleagues, and that's a very interesting suggestion that came up. So, as a teacher, when someone is trying to schedule a session, um, there is student type field which has 5 options at this moment. So the suggestion was that how about adding 2 more categories here. One is job seekers, another one is specially abled. Or in this session, I'm going to talk about how I can add a new student category, a student type. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my Visual Studio Code is open, and here's my application source code. So I'll try to go to the component section. So I have components, and since this is about sessions, so logically it should be inside sessions. And here I have multiple components where I think this is the place where I have defined a component called student types. And yes, so this is nothing but an array of objects where we have this name, value, and the thumbnail. So I think we need to first add an element here. Let's try. I will probably put it after this college student section. So I will just copy this section and paste it here. Instead of college students, I would make it job seekers, and I'll just make a value as JS. I hope J is not duplicated. Fine. And let's keep the image for now because I haven't downloaded an image or ready-made image that I don't have relevant to job seekers. So let's keep as is like this and saved it. And then I'm going to hit npm start. So let's see how it behaves. Okay. So now the local host is running. Okay, and I need to log in. So before I can access to teachers section and schedule session, student types. Oh, cool. So I can see job seekers is now appeared, but with this college students image. Now, this is something I would like to change, but before that, let's have a look at another place where I think we are referring to the same component, that is find a session place. And here I have this suitable for, and there is also coming from the same components, job seekers is appeared. So which means my small piece of code changes actually got reflected in um, in both the places. So that is great. Now only thing is that I have to update this image type to make it relevant to job seekers. Okay, so for that normally uh, I go to uh, a website called flaticon.com. This is a wonderful website where you can access free vector icons and stickers. So I would probably search for job. Okay, sorry, it was a typo. Okay, I searched by job, and then some interesting icons appeared, and I can choose the free one that I want, and I can download that image instantly. Maybe this one. Let's find this one. Okay, free download. Okay, so job is downloaded, and I can just pick this up and then go to our source code image folder, which is inside public folder. And there's no folder created for subjects. Subjects is there, but this is students types, right? So I would rather create a folder called student, or just students. Yes, this is fine, and I would like to paste it here, job.png. Okay, now I can come here, and then job seeker should be in students folder, and this is the name of the file, job.png. I'll save it, and this should refresh my website. And now if I visit, I should be able to see the new icon. Wow, that is reflected immediately. And if I go to student section and I find, and I should be able to see job seekers here as well. Now interesting thing is that if anyone, like anyone creates a dummy um, session, um, for example, it's for today itself, let's make it somewhere around 5:30ish. Subject is some coding related stuff. Okay, and if I would like to make it for job seekers, session content, some test, and then meeting link is I think this is a mandatory field, so I cannot skip that. I'll put it as google.com and create. So dummy session is created, and um, if I check this session details with this ID in our database, so yes, I think I should be able to see. Yes, student types has been saved as JS. Great, that's super. And you can see when someone will visit uh, to these details of the session, they'll be able to see this job icon here like this. Okay, so that was the intention of this video. So I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.